So without wasting time, let's directly get to the point that how you can get the View Insights button on your posts, or how you can view your posts' insights. If you are missing this View Insights button, then let's move towards the solution. You can see that on this account I have this View Insights button, but on this account I don't see this View Insights button. So let's get this button on this account as well. What you have to do is you have to first of all open up your App Store if you are on iPhone, and you have to open up your Play Store if you are on Android. This is the very first step. Keep in mind, if you don't do this, you will not be able to get the View Insights button on Instagram. After that, go to the search button and right here Instagram and hit the search button. And when this Instagram app appears up, you have to tap on it, and you have to first of all update your Instagram application. If your Instagram app is not up to date, the steps will be different and you will not be able to get the View Insights button on your Instagram account. So after updating Instagram account, what you have to do is you have to open up your Instagram application, and next you have to go to your profile section by tapping on this little profile picture available in the bottom right corner of the screen. Next you have to tap on these 3 lines available at the top right corner of the screen. Next you have to scroll down in this list and scroll more to the end. And here under this tab for professionals, you get an option, account type and tools. You have to tap on it. And the very first option in this list is switch to professional account. Tap on it and tap on the next button. And here you have to select the best category which suits you. For example, if you are a musician, blogger, or a digital creator, any category you can select from here and press this button right here, which is switch to professional account. And you can read this description that what changes will be made to your account and press the OK button. And from here you can either go with business or creator. If you don't have a business, you can simply select the creator and select the next button. And I don't want to share my login, so I'm going with not now. And just tap on this cross button available at the top right corner of the screen. And there you have it. Now if I go to any of my posts, now here you can see that I have the View Insights button available. And I can see that how many people have seen or liked it and how many people have reached to this post. So that's how you get the View Insights button. Just notice that if you had a private account before, it will be switched to public. And if you want to keep your account private, then you will not be able to get this View Insights button. For getting this View Insights button on your account or on every post, you need to have a creator or public account. That's it. If you have any other questions, let me know in the comments. See you in the next video.